Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the Edge NYC. This is a very simple thing to do, and if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see down in the description of this video. Once you go ahead and open up that link, it's going to take you to this official ticket platform right here from where we can get started. So what you can do is click the check availability option. That's going to enable us to take a look at all the available dates we can purchase the tickets for. Let's say we want to purchase them for the 16th right here. I'm going to select the date, then it's going to enable me to select the time slot which suits me the best. I'm going to select one of the time slots, and then we can select how many tickets we want. Let's say only one adult tickets for us, and then once you have selected all your tickets, you can click next to go to the next page where we can see similar experiences that we can save money on. If you're not interested, just click no thanks and go to the personal details page from where we can get started filling out our personal info. So here you can go ahead and provide your first name, last name, email address, phone number, everything needed, and once you have provided all the information correctly, you can click next to go to the payment page. So once you click next, it's going to enable you to open up this menu from where we can select what kind of payment method we want to use. So choose whatever suits you the best. You have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Let's say debit and credit card, and from here we can get started. So you can go ahead and select all the info right here, fill it out for your card, and click the pay button once ready. And once you make the purchase successfully, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform. So there you have it. Go ahead and open up the description right now, find the link, open it up, and get started purchasing your tickets today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.